So here's another view of the waterfall. And what's kind of crazy is they've got these glass panels that you can step to the edge, and then they say routine maintenance currently underway. Oh my gosh, so don't walk to the edge. Look at that. That is something. So they say this week they had 3 meters of rain. And so the conversion of that is 9 feet of rain in 1 week. All the stores are empty because they can't get supplies up here. Look at this. Holy mackerel. Look at the gushing coming through there. The sound is literally deafening. I hope you guys can hear it. I don't have any microphones on me. This is really something. And the reason it's so muddy looking is because of the 9 feet of rain they've had. It's just taken the ground out. They've had washouts on the road that came up here. Just phenomenal. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's just a big pathway that you can take and go through this. I guess it's a rainforest, you know. Look at the support beams on that beast. I guess it doesn't give you too much confidence when they give you routine maintenance going on. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a clip of that, and I'll check in with you in a little bit. So, this is Dave from Prather Farms. Have a good one.